Hi, my name is Nurhan Hassan. I'm a postdoctoral researcher in University Hospital Cologne, and I'm working in Biomed 4D project. I'm graduated from a biotechnology program, Cairo University, Egypt, and I finished my doctoral studies in University Hospital Münster in the field of radio-oncology. Working group is responsible to test the biological capacities and cytocompatibilities of the metallic test probes in vitro that will give us more information about the device that will be investigated ex vivo and in vivo. In a young age, I always loved to learn sciences, and in years I developed a strong passion and deep fascination in applied sciences and molecular biology. And during my previous studies, I was eager to investigate and learn more about the mechanisms and the genetic mutations that lead to cancer and the ability of different treatments that help to have better outcome for patients. I hope that we can achieve the complete development of our novel metallic biodegradable device that can be used as an alternative for the traditional medical interventions in scan expansion and treating cryosynstosis.